Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fight Sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fight Sign. Leo, what are the messages for you? It's your reading and it's your card. Maybe you're dealing with another Leo. So under the deck, Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, the Moon, and Three of Wands. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. So I think you turn your back from the situation here, but want some positive growth. Yes, even though you turn your back from the situation, but you want some positive growth. And there are some illusions, there are some arguments between you and your person, trust issues. You're still waiting for them. Maybe you're still waiting on something or someone here. There is some waiting game is going. And Knight of Pentacles, I think your financial status is going to be stabilized because Knight of Pentacles, there will be stability. And for some, a brand new person is entering in your life to offer stability here, Leo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Wands, King of Cups, and Five of Pentacles. Yeah, in recent past, I think there was no constant communication between you and your person. You have very strong emotions towards your person because King of Cups, you, but they always treated you as an option. They're neglecting you because Five of Pentacles, they left you out in the cold and they ghosted you without saying anything. So then present Five of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Strength. So maybe you're feeling very sad for the behavior. You are in a very sad situation, you're depressed, but finally you want to be emotionally very strong person. Then you want to take the control of the situation. Then you started loving yourself, taking care of yourself. Then you become like a very powerful person. Then future, the Sun, Eight of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. So you searching your happiness within yourself, and then you finally decided to walk away from this relationship. But again, there is some text and communication is coming. Maybe they're trying to communicate with you again. And for some kids also involved in this relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Yeah, King of Swords. Maybe they're being cold with you. Your person is very logical person. A lot of trust issues involved here. Maybe they're hiding something from you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. So let's see their current feelings. Their intentions also. Under the deck, Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, Five of Cups, and Eight of Cups. I think one person is walked away in this connection. It could be your person. According to me, it's you. If they walked away now, they have regrets here. They're feeling very, very sad for the separation, and they want to communicate with you, and they want to take action very soon. Yeah, your person will take action very soon, Leo. Their current feelings: Ace of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Seven of Cups. So for some they have options, but they're going to be choose you because Ace of Cups, their love towards you is overflowing. Yeah, they're ready to offer equal give and take because Six of Pentacles is here. In past they treated you or they ghosted you, they neglected you, but now they're realizing you're both here. And their intentions: Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. For some, they're waiting for right time here. They're planning something big here. There are some obstacles in this relationship, but they're ready to overcome those obstacles. They are ready to fight for your love, and they won't give up on you. And definitely, they're thinking about stability here. Nine of Pentacles, they want stability in this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, Six of Wands with Ace of Wands. Yeah, passionate new beginnings. They want success in this connection and they want passionate new beginnings with you. Lots of you may be in a no contact right now because Four of Swords is here, but Ten of Pentacles with Three of Cups. They are coming back for reconciliation, guys. It's a clear message. Yeah, you are doing your own thing, you're focusing on your career, you're focusing on your money, but again there is text and communication is coming. For some, definitely this person may be player or toxic for you guys. Be careful because Seven of Swords, because Page of Wands is a player type energy, always in and out of your life. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. Yeah, a lot of stress, a lot of waiting game is going in this relationship. They're wishing, they're praying for this connection, but you are on your power, Leo. Yes. And the world, some cycles are already ended. If not, they are going to be end. And you are being patient. You are being very, very patient, Leo. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Text is coming. Third party involved and I need some space now. Text is coming. Third party involved and I need some space now. These are the messages from your person and. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. So the answers you need are coming. So you're getting solutions for your problems soon. Especially when full moon in Gemini. And You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Maybe you are dealing with Virgo here. So for some of you, you are thinking about yourself that you are not good enough. This is the message for you. You are good enough. Maybe you are dealing with Virgo. Adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. For some, even though after reconciliation, there will be some adjustments are required here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.